cousin monitors this parking lot. He says that 20% of the cars that park here are black. Today, the lot is full with 250 cars. I wonder how many of the cars are black. I can set up a problem to figure out the answer. Let's get started. A parking lot holds 250 cars. Of those cars, 20% of them are black. How many of the cars are black? I want to find the number of black cars out of all the cars parked in this lot. I know there are 250 cars total, and 20% of those are black. I am going to rewrite this as 20% of 250 cars are black. Now I can translate the sentence into an equation. Remember that of means to multiply. So I can write 20% times 250 equals C, which represents the number of black cars. I can solve this equation one of two ways. I could change the percent to a decimal, or I could change the percent to a fraction. I am going to solve by changing the percent to a decimal. To change a percent to a decimal, drop the percent sign and move the decimal point 2 places to the left. 20% becomes 0.20, or just 0.2. Next, multiply 0.2 times 250, and the answer is 50 equals C. There are 50 black cars in the parking lot. Now I am going to check my solution using the other method. I am going to try changing the percent to a fraction. 20% can be written as the fraction 20 over 100. If you divide the numerator and denominator both by 20, the fraction reduces to 1/5. Now in my equation, I will substitute 1/5 for 20%. So I have 1/5 times 250 over 1 equals C. I put 250 over 1, so I have two fractions to multiply. 1 times 250 equals 250, and 5 times 1 equals 5. So I have 250 over 5 equals C. Now I will simplify the fraction. 250 divided by 5 is 50. So 50 equals C, which is the same answer that I got before. With either method, there are 50 black cars in the parking lot. My cousin says that 36% of the cars that park here are red. I'm going to figure out that solution next.